Let's take a look at the anatomy of an Excel workbook. The term workbook basically refers to the file that contains all of your data. I've got an Excel file on my desktop here that is essentially the workbook. I'm going to double click on this file to open it up. So now my workbook is open. The workbook itself is made up of one or more sheets. In this workbook, at the bottom left, you can see I have 2 sheets currently in this workbook. Each sheet is made up of individual cells, and on top of all these cells, there is actually an invisible layer called the drawing layer. And this is the layer where you can insert shapes, as well as you can even paste pictures from something you might find on the web as well. A sheet can also be a chart. If I click on the other one here, you can see this sheet is simply a chart. In order to have a chart on its own sheet, first we have to have a chart. I'm going to choose the data here, come up to Insert, and then I'll just choose Recommended Charts. I'll go ahead and pick one of the charts, hit OK. And then I'll insert the chart into the current sheet. But I don't want it there, I want it on its own sheet. So we're on the Design tab right now, and there's a button called Move Chart. I'll go ahead and click that. And then it gives you the option to put it into a new sheet, which I'll pick. And I'll say My Chart. Click OK. And now the chart has moved into its own tab. So now I have an extra tab, so I've got the 3 tabs, including the chart I had earlier. Here is a link to my Excel 101 playlist. And if nobody's looking, go ahead and click on the like button. And if you're ever so inclined, go ahead and subscribe for future Excel 101 videos. Thank you for watching.